It's been a day, but we got another video on this 3700BH-OK. I'm Zach from Funtown RV.
I'm Diego.
And let's get started. If you want to follow me around, we're going to take a look at some of the features and options this comes equipped with. We've got our on-demand water heater as well as all the connections to access here. A pass-through storage, so you can put luggage, whatever you might need. Figure out how you want to use that space to best accompany yourself. Then you got your power, drain valve, so sewer connection outlet. One of the really cool features about this unit is it does come with auto level. So you've got your auto level system here as well. Moving along to the back, if you notice looking up at the camper, we've got all tinted windows, and then you do have your little ladder to get up to the roof if you need to do any maintenances, check your seals, whatever have you. I'll turn it over to Diego.
Now this trailer is equipped with an outdoor kitchen, plenty of space to store drinks for the kids or for the adults, an outdoor TV setup, and a grill as well with your LP Connect. This RV does have dual electric awnings as well as a dual axle for easier towing and transport. If you look at the front, plenty of storage to store anything that you might want to take to your campgrounds.
All right, guys, I'm going to take you up. One of the things I like to point out of these steps, they're solid. I'm a little bit horizontally challenged, maybe not a little bit, whatever, but these hold me, no falling, no tripping. As we move inside, definitely take note of the lighter colored interior options. So you got more of your whites and grays. You've got your stove, residential microwave, fridge, farm sink, and your little dinette set up to the side, as well as some recliner options. If we move on back this way, we've got our entertainment section. So you have your television as well as some overhead storage and storage options in the bunk room itself. Coming in, you've got your top loft above or bunk. More storage, like I said, just right over here. Some different cabinetry you can throw in. Then you've got your sleeper sofa, easy out, and a half bath off to my left. As we make our way back to the kitchen, we'll actually go take a look at the primary suite or the master bedroom. I'm going to hand it back off to Diego.
Hey guys, so we're going to take a look at this awesome bathroom that we have here. As you can see in the shower, you have a lot of space as well as a seat in case you need to sit down during your showers. You do have space for your trash can in here, as well as any toiletries you might need. Over here, you actually have the control panel for your on-demand water heater. This is where you can set the temperature for your hot water. And you also do have a max air vent as well, so that way in case you need to do any exhaust or anything. Let's take a look at this bedroom right here. You do have a king size bed on a slide out, as well as plenty of storage for your clothes to fold in and hanging space. Behind over here, you do have your washer and dryer prep in case you ever do want to install one. Right behind over here, you do have a dimmer for the lights if you do want to adjust that. You also do have the dual shade system right here as well, and some more dresser top storage in case you ever need to hide some valuables or anything like that behind you.
Again, this is Zach.
Diego.
We're with Funtown RV. A camper like this 3700BH-OK would be perfect for anybody who's got tiny humans, needs to store them away, go out for the weekend, use the outdoor kitchen so they don't smell the place up like bacon, just explore the great America, or Texas, God's gift to this country. You can always find out more information about us at funtownrv.com. My name's Diego, and this is the bedroom. One of the great things about it.
An outdoor TV setup and a grill as well with your LP Connect. This RV does have dual electric awnings as well as a dual axle